The all-new, all-electric Prologue arrives early 2024. The all-electric 2024 Honda Prologue SUV delivers a sporty driving experience with a tech-rich cabin and plenty of room to roam. From everyday drives to weekend adventures, the Prologue offers exciting performance with sustainability. Let a participating dealer know you're interested in purchasing the all-new Prologue in a few easy steps. Neo-rugged design for a new age. Prologue design was led by a youthful, diverse team of designers in our Honda design studio in Los Angeles, who utilized virtual reality tools to create a neo-rugged design concept with simple and clean styling. Honda Prologue SUV available early next year with anticipated EPA range rating of 300 miles. Stylish, sporty, spacious and all-electric. With a name symbolizing the key role it plays in the company's electrification strategy, the all-electric 2024 Honda Prologue is a spacious, adventure-ready midsize SUV. With an anticipated EPA range rating of 300 miles, DC fast charging capability and a neo-rugged design, the Prologue is ready to take on adventures around town and outside the city limits. Prologue has the size and ground clearance that puts it squarely in the midsize SUV class with the fun-to-drive dynamics, styling and generous interior space that fit perfectly in the Honda lineup. Honda provides Prologue customers with top-in-class, comprehensive charging solutions both at home and on the road. Every Prologue customer can select one of 3 available charging packages, included in their vehicle purchase. Available charging packages: home charging station, 11.5 kilowatts, and $100 public charging credit, plus $500 installation incentive. Via HHE, see below. Portable charging kit, 7.6 kilowatts, and $300 public charging credit, plus $250 installation incentive. Via HHE. $750 public charging credit. Prologue backs up its neo-rugged styling with a sporty, engaging and refined driving experience. Two-wheel drive models are powered by a front-mounted single motor tuned for confident acceleration and maximum efficiency. Prologue Elite features standard all-wheel drive, available on X and Touring, which adds an additional motor in the rear. This dual-motor arrangement generates an estimated 288 horsepower and 333 lb-ft of torque, delivering responsive and quick acceleration. Recharging on the go is quick and convenient with DC fast charging at rates up to 155 kilowatts. Prologue's 85 kWh lithium-ion battery pack can recharge 65 miles of range in about 10 minutes. Prologue's custom-tuned active sound control adds to the emotion of driving by creating a seamless acceleration feel through the repetition of pleasant and expansive low to high frequency sounds linked to Prologue's acceleration and deceleration. The available Sport mode creates an even more engaging driving experience with quicker throttle and steering response, firmer steering, increased braking power and other enhancements. Big on space, style, and innovation. The spacious Prologue offers over 136.9 cubic feet of room inside the cabin. And with muscular 21-inch wheels and a wheelbase on par with our other rugged vehicles, this all-electric SUV is equipped with some sizable capability. Smart tech on full display. Step inside Prologue and experience a tech-rich cabin equipped with an 11.3-inch center display offering support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google built-in. Escape the ordinary and transform every drive into a private concert with the Bose Premium 12-speaker audio system. The first volume EV from Honda, the all-new 2024 Prologue SUV, will offer customers the latest digital services technology and features, with wireless Google One built-in, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The all-electric Honda Prologue will go on sale in early 2024. For seamless on-the-go digital services, the 2024 Honda Prologue will be the first Honda SUV to come with Google built-in, which debuted on the 2023 Honda Accord Touring Hybrid. Standard on all Prologue trims, it includes apps such as Google Assistant, Google Maps and more on Google Play.